Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, and the recipe of the week is chicken and gravy. Let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to see me do here is make some homemade chicken gravy for this recipe. If you are not interested in making that homemade, you can buy a jar of chicken gravy in the store. We are also going to have homemade cream of chicken soup with the recipe. And we also make that. If you are interested in seeing how to make homemade cream of chicken soup, then be sure to check out the link in the eye in the sky. That will show you everything you need to know on how to make that recipe. If you're not interested in seeing how to make the chicken gravy, then I will put a timestamp up in the corner so that you know where we start with the slow cooker recipe. But if you are interested in seeing the chicken and gravy, let's get started. Okay, so for the first steps with making chicken gravy, you need to start with 2 cups of chicken broth. Again, that is homemade chicken broth. If you're interested in knowing how to make that for yourself, then check out the recipe down in the description. So we're going to start off with that in a large saucepan over medium-high heat, and you just bring that chicken broth to a boil. You stir in garlic powder and onion powder and continue to stir for about 1 to 2 minutes longer. In a small bowl, whisk together water and cornstarch until dissolved. And then you're going to stir it into the boiling broth till it's thickened. Add salt and pepper to taste. After you're finished mixing the gravy, then you can pour your cream of chicken soup into the pot with it and mix that together. Now let's move over to our slow cooker. First, we're going to spray that with a non-stick cooking spray. We're going to add the chicken into the bottom of the pot. Then we're going to pour that gravy mixture over the chicken. Just add a little salt and pepper to taste, and you're going to cook it on low for 8 hours. You can then serve it over noodles, mashed potatoes, or rice, whatever you like, and then maybe roast some veggies on the side. This is also a meal that you could do as a freezer meal ahead of time. And that is the whole recipe. If you choose to use the jar and canned versions of chicken and gravy and cream of chicken soup, then it is just a 3-ingredient recipe. Again, we like to make ours. Technically, that would make it more than 3 ingredients, but they're probably things that you probably already have in your cabinet. And that is the whole recipe. We hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and comment below and let us know if you think you'll be making this recipe. And also, be sure to subscribe because we try to share a recipe of the week video every week. And that's it for today's video. And until next time, this is Christy with The Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.